Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are going to be installing the replacement parts on the Krome Dispense Steaming Rinser Pitcher Kit. This replacement kit helps to solve operational issues like leaking or lower pressure. When used regularly, the replacement kit can be used as regular maintenance, so to ensure that your rinser is working to its full potential all the time. It includes all the parts that you need, the gaskets, the piston, and the spring. All you'll really need to provide is a flathead screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and you'll find that a bent pick and lubricant may be useful as well. We suggest disconnecting the rinser before attempting this, so I would turn off the water and remove the fitting. Ours is not connected right now, so we will skip that step. Once disconnected, remove the star. To do that, all you have to do is twist. Right. You'll take the adjustable wrench and loosen the gold nut at the bottom. Okay, and we're going to remove this nut, the washer, and the gasket. And then this valve should slip right out. There's a gasket under the shank. We'll remove that, the shank, and you'll be left with the actual rinser head. So now we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and we're gonna loosen this screw. And this will pop out. You'll have the spring. Set this nut to the side. There's also a gasket that you're going to want to remove. And these are all the parts that we are replacing. So this can go, this big gasket. There is not a replacement for this one, so hold on to that. And then this is where the bent pick will come into play. So if you get the sharp side and get underneath that gasket, it makes it easier to just pull it off. So there's two really small gaskets, and then this bigger one should just slide right off. We will open up our kit. We're going to want to add the new gaskets. So we'll slide the middle-sized one on first. The two smaller ones, and this is where the lubricant will be helpful, because sometimes these get stuck. That'll make them just slide right across. Second gasket. Okay. And then the screw will have a gasket at the top. You've got to shimmy this one back up. We'll insert the screw, or the spring, the screw, and the rinser head. We'll want to use the flathead screwdriver. You can kind of stick your thumb in and twist it on and then tighten it with this flathead. Might want to press on it, make sure that it's good. We're gonna slide the valve back into the shank and then the long skinny gasket. We will put that back into the rinser base. And then we have the gasket, which you got, the washer, and the gold nut. Hold it, get your adjustable wrench. Okay, it's nice and secure. And put the star back on, and it should be good to go. You will notice that you are left with a random clear gasket. This does not work with the C335. However, it is a part for the rinsers that are installed into the drain trays, which this maintenance kit works with as well. Make sure your rinser is always performing at its best. You can find the Krome Dispense Rinser Pitcher Kit online at primacoffee.com, and thanks for watching.